Scalability in cloud. The scalability can be obtained by using AWS auto scaling. So auto scaling automatically scale the application, and depending upon requirement it can scale up or scale down, scale in and scale out. So AWS auto scaling monitor the application and automatically adjusts the capacity. So it is used for capacity provisioning to maintain steady predictable performance at lowest possible cost. So not only it monitors, also predict and provide a steady performance at very low cost. So it can be integrated with EC2 instance. So whenever we are using EC2 instance and other instances like database or any other services, it can be implemented by using management console, command line interface or SDK. So what are the benefits? Set up scaling quickly. It makes smart decision for capacity provisioning and scaling. Automatically maintain performance and pay for what you are going to use. So how it is going to work? So auto scaling, the user has to use the auto scaling service, then explore the application for which we are going to implement the auto scaling, whether for storage, compute, messaging or any other services. Then discover what you can scale, whether cost or performance. Then choose cost or performance depending upon the requirement so that it can able to scale. Then track the scaling as it happens. So it monitors the capacity and it can scale up or scale down as per the requirement.